Hello, my name's Kate. Today we will talk about time markers with the present perfect tense. We use the present perfect a lot in English, so now we'll find out more about it. Let me tell you about myself. I've lived in London for 20 years. I moved here when I was a child, in the past, and I still live here now, in the present. You use the present perfect to talk about something that happened in the past, but has a result in the present, or is important now. You can also use the present perfect to talk about life experiences with no specific time in the past. You can use specific words to show that something happened before and has continued to the present. When I said, I've lived in London for 20 years, a period of time is given using for. Here's another example. I have just visited Scotland. In this example, the time is very recent due to the word just. For and just are both called time markers. Let's learn more about time markers and when to use them. You add time markers like for and since to show periods of time. Since signifies a starting point in time where something happened, and for signifies a period of time. Let's look at some examples. They have stayed here for 2 months. The period they stayed here is 2 months. Maybe they've been here since July and now it's September. Anna has been a teacher since 1995. She started her career as a teacher in 1995 and she is still a teacher now. Another example is, I have been at work since 9:30 in the morning. I have been at work for 6 hours and I'm still at work now. How about time markers to show actions that have completed in the recent past? What time markers can be used? You can use already, recently, and just to show that an action happened in the recent past. Let's look at some examples. I have already had lunch. She has recently completed the English lessons. He has just left the office. How do you talk about an experience that happened and is important now? You can use ever, never, and yet to talk about experiences from the past that relate to now. Keep in mind that both never and yet are used in questions, but yet can be used in the negative form. Let's look at some examples. Have you ever visited South America? No, I have never travelled there. I haven't had the chance yet. Now you can use the present perfect with time markers. Today we reviewed when we use the present perfect with time markers and using different types of time markers with the present perfect. Thanks for watching. See you later.